What happened to your hand? What's going on, everybody? Welcome in to the Crypto Logic podcast, man. I'm your host, Mike. This is your co-host, John. And today's a good day. Today is a very, very good day, man. XRP hitting $1 today.
I told you.
Yeah, he did tell me. That's right. John told me. I got to bow down, man, because he did. I said we were going to reach 92 cents and go on. And
I said we was going to hit that $1, but I thought it was going to hit by Sunday. But I didn't expect it to hit that fast. But we did.
Yeah.
I told you. But while XRP, when it moves, it moves.
It's moving.
XRP goes crazy out of nowhere. But we'll go. I guess we'll go over the news and why we think it's blowing up and the whole crypto market, crypto space in general is all bullish right now.
Yeah, man, we're definitely gonna go through it. So if this is your first time landing on our channel, the show kind of goes like this, right? We go over the market settlement, we talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, all those kind of things. We tell you the overall market cap of the overall crypto space. Then we give you some of the relative news of the day. So the most, I guess, the newest news of the day. And then we kind of go over the winners, the gainers, and the losers of the entire crypto space. So today should be pretty dope, man. If you guys are new, definitely subscribe to the channel and like
the like button, please.
There you
go.
The
like button.
So I guess we can start off with the market settlement. So let's just dive into that really quickly. So as you guys can see, we are sitting for overall the crypto space, we're sitting at 1.9 trillion. Did it hit 2 today?
Yeah, I said it did. I read an article that said it hit 2 trillion today. And I was like, that's the number that we're looking for. We got to hit that 2 trillion but we look back a little bit. I was like, we hit that 2 trillion, never look back.
But I mean, we're gonna do some type of retracement. So I mean, that makes sense.
Bitcoin needs to go past the 48 to 50,000. Then it'll stay solid at 2.
That's the next one. But it's doing a little retracement. You know, it was at 46,000 earlier, went down a little bit to 45, but it's like 45.
I think it hit 47 today, didn't it?
Not sure.
I don't think so. 48.
It was close to it, but I don't think it hit. But overall, Bitcoin is looking great. There was some news that came out about Bitcoin that I did on my TikTok regarding AMC accepting it as a payment. So, that could be some of the news that's allowing for Bitcoin to catch that wave and continue to go up. Ethereum, as you guys know, EIP 1559, that did a really good job for Ethereum.
Killing it.
It's been allowing for Ethereum to stay
almost hit 3,300
at 3,000. I'm sorry, what happened?
It almost hit 3,300 today.
Sheesh.
It's like 3270 something, 78.
Yeah, man.
I was watching it. I was like, yes.
I mean,
I have Ethereum, some Ethereum.
Anytime Ethereum does well, it's always a good thing. Always a good thing.
It's tight.
Now, before we hop into XRP, man, I want to go over this news article regarding Mark Cuban. So Mark Cuban said basically in a tweet, I believe this is a tweet. He said shutting off the growth engine would be like the equivalent of stopping e-commerce in 1995 because people were afraid of credit card fraud, or regulating the creation of websites because some people initially thought they were complicated and didn't understand what they would ever amount to. So basically what he's talking about is that $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill or whatever, and how the wording of it basically stops the whole crypto market because everyone's in limbo and they don't really understand what's going on with that weird broker verbiage. So he's basically saying that if they don't change that, you're basically stopping innovation. That's what I got from it.
That's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, I guess they interviewed him in like the Washington Post. It's like some news article, but he's just basically saying that putting on these regulations before the mass majority knows how to deal with crypto and how to utilize crypto, it will hamper the growth of crypto. So he's basically saying, like, imagine putting regulations in 1995 on the internet, and like who knows what would have not came out from there. Like Google probably could have never came out of there, Shopify, things like that. Like, what is it, like HTTPS, like security, anything that you could think of that's like internet based
related.
Yeah. You could have stopped that. And then there's another article I read earlier that's similar to this. Is a senator was saying, imagine putting regulations on wireless technology. And how, like, think about how wireless technology is. You can send videos, pictures, words that you type to anywhere around the world. Like, how does
almost like that.
How does that technology work? Imagine someone had to come up with that technology. That didn't just come out of nowhere. It was people who were innovative, people who were in that space. It's like not just the senators and the politicians. They're not going to come up with that. It's going to be who?
Right.
The retail, private, and people who have these type of companies that create these type of companies
and understand how the tech works. Yeah.
So them doing this to crypto, you can stop so many future things that can happen with crypto, with NFTs and everything, like the blockchain, DeFi, exchanges, wallets, loans, anything. Like you don't want to stop growth and innovation when it's not even fully adopted yet.
Totally agree, man. Now let's get into the topic of the day, man. XRP. Let's look at the price first, and then we'll dive into why we think XRP is booming right now. XRP finally got over that dollar, man. Oh my God. It's been a long time since we've seen $1 XRP.
Like May or something?
It's been a while.
We did it.
We did it, though.
We did it.
We did it. I mean, when we first started talking about it, it was at 77 cents. Then it went to 82 cents. And then...
Why have we never talked about XRP? We bought in like,
I don't know.
February. It was like under 40 something cents.
I don't know why. I mean,
and we've been buying since. We never stopped. We've been buying since. Ever since when it was up, when it was down, when it was like $1.90 last time. Kept buying, and this last few months was really nice. We were able to accumulate a lot.
Yeah, because it was just trading sideways.
Now it's like, all right, now you just kind of sit back and just kind of smile a little bit because now I hit $1. Like, oh yeah.
Back to his glory days.
Yeah, you're right. We were speaking about it at 70 cents. I just don't understand why we never spoke about it all this time.
Well, I think with the new way that we started to do the show, definitely brings a lot more value. You guys have shown that. Yeah. Our views have 18%. Went up a lot. You guys have liked the video a lot, so we really do appreciate that. The subscribers has even come up, so that was that. They like the way that we're doing it now, and we honestly enjoy it.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys tuning in.
Yeah,
18% a day. These are the tokens that you need to buy, not financial advice. There's so many of them.
You got to learn how to do the research first. Yeah. But once you learn how to do the research, it's almost second nature. And I mean, if you're going to be a long-term investor anyway, it doesn't matter what the price is. If you believe in the project, you could just dollar cost average into it, not financial advice, and not really worried about the price because most people can't read charts anyway. So. Dollar cost averaging is definitely going to be your best friend. Now, why do we think that XRP is rallying right now? Well, the first reason why we think so is XRP price approaching $1 could clinch 2.5 mark in 9 days. So this is like some good news for the overall crypto space because XRP is really big. I mean, a lot of people like XRP. They're just afraid to talk about it just because of the lawsuit. But just seeing that XRP could clinch that $2.5 mark in about 9 days. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen, but that's still good news nonetheless. You want to go ahead and read about that one, John?
Well, yeah, it's just the bulls appear to have gained immense bullish momentum as the crypto space is optimized for a giant bull rally. The major cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have smashed their respective strong resistance levels to march towards the north. Yet XRP's price rally appeared to be behind the schedule. XRP always moons last.
Right.
It always moons last for some reason, but it moons fast.
Yeah, it does. That's crazy.
It moons last, but it moons the fastest.
I think it went from like 82 to 87, and then to 92, and then to 97, and then it hit $1.
$5.06, yeah. So it's like the much-awaited iconic rally initiated with a step closer to $1, intending to smash $2 at the earliest. XRP price closed the previous day trade with a perfect rebound from the slight pullback or correction after a significant surge. This provided the price with enough push, which fueled the rally with an additional 10% since the early trading hours. The candles appear to be much stronger with a diminished wick as the buying pressure mounted. It looks like it's not going to stop anytime soon.
Yeah, so basically what it's saying for everyone else is
92,
this line right here is the resistance line. This line down here is support. So as you guys can see, we had a downtrend right here, and then it bounced off support, went up a little bit, hit resistance, bounced off, this is all healthy. Went back up, hit resistance again, traded sideways a little bit, went down, further down. Now, a lot of people were freaking out. They were like, we can't pass this, which caused people to sell. That's why you're seeing all this downtrend right here. And then it bounced off the second support line right here, traded sideways. This was that 70 mark that it was at for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. This is where people were just accumulating, just trying to figure out what's going on. And then Bitcoin started going crazy. And then here came XRP.
The news for XRP. XRP was closing deals.
So it's coming, guys. It's definitely coming. Now, the second article that we think is the reason for this news, John broke this to me last night, actually, talking about Ripple and GME remittance joins forces with immediate payments from South Korea to Thailand. So, John, can you go ahead and explain that to me, everyone?
The Central Bank of Thailand has approved Ripple and it's fully regulated to basically allow Ripple to partner with the GME remittance. So basically, Ripple's going to operate in 22 different countries, and and that was like the news before. And then this news broke. It was South Korea and Thailand are going to allow XRP Ripple. They're going to use their technology to move for all their banks. All their banks are going to use Ripple XRP to move their money back and forth.
That's crazy.
And that's hundreds and thousands of banks, billions of dollars. So that's like the simplest version that I can establish. But they said that we partner with Ripple because we wanted to beat our competitors. That's literally what they said. And they said that using XRP, no other bank, none of our competitors can compete with us. That's what they said about XRP. No one's gonna want to compete. No one can compete with us. That's why they partner with them.
I agree. I mean, XRP going heads up against the token that's supposed to be for the banks. I wouldn't do it.
We're pleased to partner with a leading payment service provider, GME Remittance, because we will deliver a superior customer experience while accelerating their expansion into new markets as they connect with our existing network of established partners at RippleNet. So Thailand, so it's Japan. So they remember that they made that deal with Japan. They made a deal with South Korea now. They made a deal with the Philippines. They made a deal with Thailand. They have a deal with I think it's Singapore yet. Singapore.
No, you didn't.
They have a deal with I think I'm not sure if it's India, but I know Egypt is in there, and then and obviously I think India too. But there's more. That's just the top of my head. But they're trying to get as many banks on board with or without the U.S. because right now only like Bank of America, PNC Bank, and some other companies are working with Ripple.
Right.
Like MoneyGram dropped them, and they went with Stellar's going to buy them now. But Ripple is still making moves regardless of the lawsuit. But I'm just thinking of when this lawsuit's over, whether it's a settlement or a win. I think it's going to be either a win or a settlement on Ripple's side.
I still think it's a settlement. I don't think the SEC is going to allow for that.
Whatever happens, if it's a settlement, the XRP has to come up. They have to agree with the amount of money like that they think that they deserve to be fined.
That's going to be
$50 million or whatever.
It's going to be a drop in the hat. They don't care.
But I've also heard rumors that XRP may have to burn some tokens, which would actually increase the value of XRP, which is interesting. But because like I think a lot of tokens, like I don't know how many, I don't want to say in random numbers, but I think 30 to 50 billion tokens or something like that are in escrow. So those tokens are untouched.
That's the account that everyone's freaking out about.
Yeah.
Like, oh yeah, they have this
but
amount.
They release it slowly into the liquidity pool or whatever you want to call it, the ledger as needed.
Right.
So XRP, if some of those tokens are burned, it's only going to increase the price of XRP. But anyway, that's besides the point. But the fact of the matter is, if the lawsuit is over with, regardless of a win, settlement, it has to be a win or a settlement, because if a lawsuit will impact it.
Right.
How many U.S. companies think are going to jump on board? If countries around the world are excited, they're like, oh yeah, let's sign this up.
I mean,
how many banks and companies, small mom and pop credit unions in the U.S., things that you could like China, like working with other businesses. I don't know. It's just.
I think they're just waiting. I think they're waiting on the sidelines. They're just waiting. They're just waiting to get in.
And that's not even investors.
That's not even
in like capital groups, asset managers. That's just it's XRP is gonna blow up if this is gonna be a crazy end of the year. I think it's gonna be a crazy end of the year. September, October is gonna be crazy.
Yeah, I totally agree. Alrighty, with that news out of the way, let's actually dive into let's dive into the winners and the losers of the overall crypto space, at least for the ones that we have on our watch list. Now, we brought you guys 4 tokens in our first video. I think it was DAG, VXV, Elrond or eGLD, and QUANT. So let's see where everyone is today. Oh, look at that. XRP is the number one. As you guys know, it's been trading really well. The next one is going to be XDC. Oh, dude, it's nice to see Harmony One actually joining the fight, dude.
Man, I don't know if you remember me telling you about XDC like back in March.
I did, but
and
I
was like,
never
dude,
got into
XDC,
it.
it was like 3 zeros.
I know it was XRP, XLM, and then XDC. They're like almost identical.
Bro,
but
when we first went into crypto, XDC was like the first one that was outside of XRP, and I saw on Twitter like, you guys need to get on XDC. You guys like XRP and XLM, get an X. And it was such a baby. It was like 0.007.
Sheesh.
And at that time I was still learning. I didn't know how to like use KuCoin. I didn't know how to use any of those. And now I'm like, oh my gosh, like it's so easy. And I'm like, I don't want to buy it now because it's like, I don't know. You know,
this is VeChain prices technically.
Yeah, I mean,
VeChain prices.
Yeah, dude, it's just imagine accumulating at 2 cents VeChain at like less than a penny.
Yeah, you'll be sitting pretty right now.
You were accumulating VeChain at like 3 cents, right? Like super cheap.
Yes, sir. I got a lot of VeChain.
I only have a little. I don't have
a lot
of
VeChain.
I like VeChain though. I just don't have a lot of it.
The thing about VeChain though, a lot of people are skeptical about it because they're like, okay,
but I did the math today.
Is it going to give you the most returns?
It would need, I believe, $4 trillion or something like that or $400 billion to hit $5. $435 billion.
That's super doable, given that they're working with Walmart, they're working with BMW, all these multiple, like I think even Louis Vuitton, like
400 billion.
They're working with a lot of companies.
That's possible.
So I think it's very, very possible.
$5 is possible.
100%. Zilliqa's looking pretty good. XLM is cool. Digibyte, okay.
Yeah, Digibyte is higher than that. I've seen it at like, that thing is 6 cents is nothing. It should be higher than that. It's good though. It's been dead, chilling for a long time.
ADA is doing pretty good.
VXV, look at that baby.
Oh, hit
$5. That's another
hit
baby.
$5. John was talking
for like the third time.
John was talking about that yesterday because when we were talking about it, I think it was at 497, 498.
VXV, you guys need to don't financial advice. Just look at it. Just take a look.
Just look into it.
Just look into it. We don't want to tell you buy it. We're not going to tell you to do that. Just look
we're never
into
gonna
it.
Tell you to do that.
Do the research, and then you doing the research, you will make a. I have faith in your decision.
Yeah, so John's thing was he wanted to get in before $5, and
so I'm super happy right now.
It's pretty dope. Hit $5. It's really tight.
Super happy right now.
Velocity is doing really well. I got into this trade.
Dude, I told you 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
I was like, bro, this is gonna hit $5. I gotta get in as much as I can for $5. You're like, dude, you got time. And I was like, I don't know, man. I remember I was buying. I was like 440, 380. I was like, bro, I don't care. And then I'm like, all right, I'm good. I'm gonna just hold this now. And then it freaking hit $5 now. I'm like, all right.
Yeah.
It's only up from here. Only up from here.
I agree. I mean, I think resistance support will probably be in the 490 range.
Smash. It's like 550.
We'll see. But I think this is all-time high, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, it's destroying all-time highs.
This might be all-time high.
It's destroying all-time highs consistently.
Oh no, it's not.
517.
517.
But that just hit 517 recently though, like a couple days ago.
Right.
24 hours it says.
Alrighty, let's see.
HBAR was at 23 today.
Go here. Velocity, nice. VeChain sitting at 11 cents, same as XDC right here. Nice. Can't wait till VeChain gets back to 23 cents.
Oh yeah, that was
That'd
nice.
be good. Algorand could get to $1 soon. We could see $1 Algorand again. Nice. This was at $1 ZRX. I've been waiting for it to get to $1, but I really wanted to get higher so I can kind of take some profits.
HBAR stacks. Albert token.
Where's Albert? Oh, right here. It's down about 8% for the week, but overall it's doing pretty good. We know Bitcoin is doing well as well. QUANT sitting at about 155.
That's his new floor, I think.
Yeah, I think it's consolidating right here around this area. eGLD is on a downtrend right now. So,
yeah, for the week is good though. 32% for the week.
Yeah, I mean this would be a good opportunity to buy. Got financial advice, like buy the dip, you know. But yeah, overall that's pretty good, man. For crypto, let's see who the winners and losers of the entire crypto space.
Dude, that thing went up 100% in a day.
IOTX.
It dipped a little bit because people took profits, but that thing took. I saw this morning. It was like 116% in a day. I'm like, where are these at? Where are these where I could make a quick, you know what I mean? Put $500 in, $100 in, make a quick 1,000.
Double your money, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I've never even heard of that. I might have to take a look at that.
300% for the week. And then also Ravencoin's been killing it too, right down there.
Oh, right here.
Ravencoin's been 112% for the week. So someone told me about Ravencoin last week, and I said, oh yeah, I like it. I didn't pull the trigger because I was really focused on VXV. And then I was really looking at NFTs and stuff, so my money was being moved over there to NFTs and VXV.
Mm-hmm.
So then I was like, oh, Ravencoin, I'll look at it later. And then today, like that thing hit 100%. So you would have made 100% gain this week. And someone told me about it last week. I didn't tell you because I was like, I feel like you were already working on other stuff. I just kind of like left it. Like that's my drop the bag on that.
Hey,
see?
drop the bag. Oh, it's all good. I probably wouldn't have invested in it anyway. Telecoin, just looking pretty good.
Oh yeah, I have Telecoin.
A lot of people are talking about Telecoin.
It's only 11%, but it's still solid though. I'm finally like positive on Telecoin now. I kind of bought like right around that price originally, so.
Cool. Yeah, man. Overall, I mean, the crypto space is looking really good, man.
Dude.
Everything is looking good. Really excited for that, that XRP at $1. I mean, if you look at John's neck, you can kind of tell.
You guys got it.
We love XRP. I wore these gold glasses just specifically for XRP. I just felt like it was appropriate. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully you guys enjoyed the show, man. Hope you guys found some value. If you did, go ahead and please smash that like button, man. It really does help the channel out. And it does allow for everyone else to get the information that they need from the channel. All right? So thank you guys so much for watching.
I hope you guys love this oh man, I just cut you off.
No, go ahead.
I hope you guys love this structure. I noticed that like we are getting better views. We're getting more better traction. We're getting likes, comments. We're getting more initial views. That's like the main thing.
Right.
And then we're getting more subscribers. So please continue to share this. Join the Discord. Like the video. I know you just said all this.
Yeah, I said it earlier, but it's okay.
Dang, my bad. But
no, go ahead.
It's just me speaking like this is cool because you've already been a successful YouTuber. So now I'm just like, yeah, no,
it's
pretty good. 20 minutes.
It's solid. All good, man. Solid. It's all good.
I hope everyone likes this structure, and I hope they're not bored of us yet.
Well, we hope not. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.